Hi everyone, welcome back to TenorShare. The official version of iOS 17 has been released for a few days, and I bet many of you have updated to the latest system. You will definitely be excited about some new features such as this fun sticker. But also, many users reported bugs and issues since the update to iOS 17, like battery draining. So you might want to go back to iOS 16. Fortunately, there's still a choice to make you get back to iOS 16.5 while keeping your data. Want to know how to downgrade? Let's go. Step 1. Turn off Find My iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go to Settings, tap Profile, and tap Find My, and make sure to Find My iPhone has been turned off. Step 2. Create a backup. Okay, now we are going to plug the phone to the computer. Open iTunes and go to the summary page. Hit the backup option to create a local backup. Make sure you have enough storage space for your backup. While that's going on, we can go to IPSW file.me website and find your iPhone model. You can see the iOS 16 file. Click the download button and wait for a while. Step 4. Downgrade with iTunes. Now go back to iTunes or Finder to import it. Press the Shift key and click the Restore iPhone option. In the pop-up window, select the IPSW file we just downloaded. It says iTunes will erase and restore your phone to iOS 16. Choose the Restore button. So now your iPhone should be downgrading from iOS 17 to iOS 16. Step 5. Downgrade with ReiBoot. If you have difficulties using iTunes, ReiBoot will be a nice alternative. Once connect your device, click the Downgrade button. Choose Downgrade, then download the matching firmware. Great. Now you can click the Initiating Downgrade option. Wait for a few moments, because they were two different generation systems. Be patient. See, ReiBoot does the trick too. Now you can set up your iPhone. Step 6. Restore from backup. No matter which method you use, eventually you'll need to reset your phone. But of course, we don't have any data yet. So let's get back to iTunes and restore the backup we made earlier today. Before we do that, we need to make a small change to the backup because it's not compatible with iOS 16. To do this, hold down the Win and R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Navigate to Apple Computer Mobile Sync. If you don't see the backup folder, type in %userprofile% instead. Then, go to Apple Mobile Sync and open the backup folder. The backup we created should be the most recent one based on the last modified time. Inside the folder, scroll down to the bottom and find the info. Open it in Notepad. Press Ctrl+F to open the search bar and search for the word product. Not too far down, you'll see the product version. Below that, it should say iOS 17.0. Change that to iOS 16.0 and save the file. Now, we can go back to iTunes and start the restore process. Click on Restore Backup and select the backup we just modified. iTunes will start the restore process and your iPhone will restart. Once the restore is complete, you can set up your phone again. This time, all your apps, photos, and other data will be restored. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the TenorShare channel or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.